Hi guys, Ancient Warrior here again. Welcome back to Prepping USA. Let's continue. Do I need? Because I've had people say, Ancient, do I really need to have a mess kit with me? Here's mine. It's the French version. And the reason I opted to go with the French is for one good reason. Guys, this thing nestles. It nestles everything in there nicely. You probably don't need a mess kit. But why would you want one? Now, you could probably get by if you could carry enough plastic silverware, paper plates, and a small cook kit, camping cook kit in the car. But you got to think of kids eating, you eating, mom and dad. You got to think of everybody who's going to eat. All my gear's washable. And believe me, I can find ways to wash things that is sanitary and keep you from getting major diseases. All the cook kit, all the mess kit is used for is to keep normality in your life. Now, eating from a mess kit is not normal for most people. What is normal is having plates. You can buy a cheap plastic camping kit at Walmart or someplace and store it in the car and be able to wash it. Have plasticware. Try to stay away from the spork, that thing that's supposed to be a spoon, a fork, and a knife all combined into one. Actually have a fork, knife, and a spoon. But you got to be able to have a way to warm food up. You can't eat cold food all the time. You eat cold food all the time, and number one, the grease will not digest as well. That comes with whatever you're eating. So, please, 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 remember that you do need some way to heat food up. And I always suggest metal cups because, guys, there's nothing better on a cold morning than a hot cup of coffee or hot chocolate or something like that. So, just remember, if you're prepping and you have food and water in the house, welcome to free America. But if you don't, I'm sure somebody will be standing at the gate of the FEMA camp saying, welcome to FEMA camp, and then have a number. So, have a good day. Remember, this is Prepping USA. Have a good day.